Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to learn about the isotopes. First of all, what isotopes means. The definition says that the atoms of an element can exist in several forms having similar atomic number but varying mass number. This means that sometimes the element have different mass number but same atomic number. That means if we have the atomic number 6, 6 means the number of protons present inside an atom, number of protons. This also says the atomic number. If we say that atomic number is 6 and the mass number is, we all know that the 6 atomic number 6 element is carbon and the mass number of carbon is 12. But if we say that the mass number of carbon is 12 and 13, this means the number of proton is 6 but the number of neutron increases to 7. If the number of neutrons increases, that means the number of protons plus number of neutrons says the mass number of a atom. If 6 plus 7 we will do, then we will get the number 13. This means the mass number of an atom can be 12 and 13. These are isotopes. An element of an atom having the same atomic number but different mass number. There may be 2 isotopes, 3 isotopes of same element, but if we take an example of a chlorine, there are 37, maybe 35 isotopes present in chlorine, Cl. There are normally 35 numbers of isotopes present in chlorine, but there are only 2 stable atoms for chlorine. 2 stable atoms of chlorine isotope, Cl. Okay. Now if we see the other properties of the isotopes are pure substances. We all know that the isotopes of an element is a pure substance. The third point says that the isotopes have similar chemical nature. This means the nature of the chemically they are similar, but if we see the physical property, that is different from different isotopes. If we say the first isotopes having the mass number is 12 and the second isotopes having the mass number 13, they have the physical characteristics different but the chemical nature of the both atom is same. Now here is an example. If the atomic number, that means the number of protons present of an element, is 5 and the mass number present of that element is 10. In second case, the atomic number is same but the mass number increases by 1. That means the proton number is same but the neutron number increases by 1. That says that it also recognize that the mass number may be different but the atomic number will be same. This may be 10, 11. If we take the third isotopes, it may be 12 also. This depends upon the nature of the element. If the element having some different isotopes, then we can take 3 isotopes also, but we will take an example of only 2-3 element. Now if we talk about the application of an isotopes, what are the uses of the isotopes, why isotopes are used and where it is used. First example is for the uranium. We all know that the uranium is used in the nuclear bomb for creating or for developing nuclear bombs. In nuclear plants, the uranium is basically used. The uranium isotopes is used as a fuel in the nuclear reactor. The uranium isotopes is used as a fuel as for the burning, as for the increasing the temperature of an uranium. For second example, there is a cobalt isotopes. That is used for the treatment of cancer cells. If any cancer cells present inside the body, that is used, the cobalt isotope is used to kill the cancer cells. Third example or third use of an isotopes is that iodine isotopes, that is used for the treatment of goiter. Goiter is a disease that occurred in neck, the swollen neck. This is due to the lack of iodine. If we start lacking of iodine in our body, then the goiter can be cause inside our body, in the neck, mainly in the neck. Now the next video will be on the isobars. What will be the isobars? Now till, thanks for watching.